Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we are going to do a little flow to help us release tension in our necks, shoulders and upper back. So let's begin the class by coming down in child's pose, and we're just going to surrender here and connect to our breaths. So surrendering with your forehead on the mat. Take a nice big exhale, a nice big inhale. As you exhale, just letting go of anything that's not serving you. And as you inhale, giving yourself permission to be here for a few minutes of the day to give a little bit of self-care back to your body, your mind and yourself. Let's just come up on to our knees together, and we're going to melt our heart down. So this is the key areas where we can hold onto tightness and stress in our neck, shoulders and upper back. And we're just going to release it in this short little sequence. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Beautiful. Coming up onto all fours. We're going to inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Neutralize your spine. We're going to take the shoulder to the hip. So we're creating a little C shape. Change sides. And again. One more time. Now bring your right hand to the middle of the mat. We're going to inhale, lift up the left, and we're going to thread the needle through to open up our upper back. And then bring that hand behind you and breathe. And then gently coming back, we're going to take the left hand, put it in the middle of our bodies. Inhale, lift up the right. Exhale, reach through, thread the needle. And we're opening up our upper back. Bring the hand behind you. Really open up your shoulder. Stay connected to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And then gently release. Coming back onto all fours. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Tuck your toes under and just lift up your knees, and let's just straighten out our spine, keeping your knees bent. Slowly start to straighten out your legs. Walk it out, left, right, left, right. Just let yourself melt into this downward facing dog. Take your shoulders away from your ears. Feel your shoulder blades coming together behind you. Breathing in and breathing out. And slowly just walk your hands a bit closer to your feet. And then we're going to take the right hand to the outside of the left ankle. And we're just going to turn our head underneath our armpit. So we're feeling the hamstring opening up, as well as the upper back. And change sides. Grabbing hold of the outside of the right ankle with your left hand, and then looking underneath your armpit. And then gently release, placing the knees down and coming up to sitting. Sitting cross-legged. And let's just roll our shoulders back. Then roll our shoulders forward. Let's interlock our fingers and really pull those shoulder blades apart. I'm just going to turn this way so you can have a look. And breathe. And then gently bring your hands behind you. Open up your chest. Lifting those arms up behind you. And then again, we're going to do that again, but change the thumb grip, so whatever comes naturally, place the opposite thumb on top. And breathe. Dropping the shoulders down, feeling the shoulder blades pull apart. And then again. And remember to always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel quite comfortable, just stop. Calm back. We're going to place our hands behind our head, elbows back, and then we're just going to lean over to one side. And then back up to sitting to the center and over to the other side. Then we're going to lean back slightly, opening up those shoulder blades, and then bring those elbows together. And then place those hands on your shoulders. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Elbows together. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Elbows together. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. Those elbows come together. We're going to change directions. Lifting up to the ceiling and round. Beautiful. Up to the ceiling and down. One more time. Up to the ceiling and down. And then place one hand, just to have the palm, the fingers pointed towards you. And then we're just going to bring the neck over to the opposite side. And then just turn your head slightly to look at, your gaze looks at your shoulder. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And let's do the other side. So placing the other hand near your hip, it's not actually touching the mat. Fingers pointing up. And then we're just going to turn our head ear to shoulder, and then turn your head slightly to face your shoulder. And then gently release. Let's do that one more time. Lifting the other side, turning your head away to face your shoulder, fingers up, breathing in, breathing out. And one more time. Turning your head to face the shoulder, your gaze, and then gently release, rolling those shoulders back. Bring the soles of your feet together. Interlock your fingers. And then really lengthen out your spine. Lengthen out your spine and drop those shoulders down. Now tuck your chin in slightly and feel the stretch in your trap muscles, which are just here. Just above your shoulders. Dropping them down. Tucking your chin in, lengthening your spine. And then gently release. And again. Let's lengthen the spine, tuck your chin in slightly. And then gently release. Coming, sitting cross-legged. We're going to bring our hands up to the ceiling, and then we're going to take our right hand underneath our left and eagle arm it. Lifting those elbows up, and you feel a nice opening in the upper back. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice straight spine. Hold it for 3, 2, 1, and then inhale, lift up. And bring the left hand underneath your right. Lifting up those elbows. Feeling the stretch on your upper back. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And then gently release. Bring your elbows together and just lift them up and down. Up and down. You can even bring your palms together. Up and down. One more time. Up and open up. And then just really open up your chest. And release. Open up your chest. And release. Open up your chest and release, placing those hands on your knees. Exhaling, looking down. Inhaling, looking up. Exhaling, looking down. Inhaling, looking up. Back to the center, keeping your spine nice and straight. Turn your head to one side and just take your gaze slightly down. And then place one hand, opposite hand on opposite shoulder. And then gently release. Turning over to the other side. Turn your gaze to your shoulder. Place the opposite hand on the shoulder, dropping it down. And then gently release. Back to the center. Let's look down. Turn your head from ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Stay breathing. Ear to shoulder. And then little tiny circles upwards. Stay connected to your breath. Relax your shoulders. And then back to center. Squeeze your shoulders up and then drop them down. Squeeze them up and drop them down. One more time. Squeeze them up and drop them down. And just sit here in this space. And while you sit here and observe your breath, think of 3 things that you're grateful for today. 3 things that has given you pleasure or that make you happy. Inhale each one of those things in. Exhale out gratitude to the universe. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. And then whenever you're ready, you could open your eyes and come back into your room. If you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I thank you for your time and allowing me into your space, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.